The Requiem Mass held at St. Anthony's Catholic Church, Enugwu-Ukwu, attracted illustrious sons and daughters of the community, including the State Deputy Governor, Dr. Nwokafor, the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Ukwu, Igoraf Epe, among others. In a homily, an indigenous priest of the town, Reverend Father Jude Ozumba, who called on Christians to work assiduously with Christ while on earth, noted that the day of reckoning is at hand. Speaking at the funeral service, the State Deputy Governor, Dr. Okeke, described the deceased as a legend and a great philanthropist who had touched many lives in the society and had left indelible footprints on the sands of time. Dr. Okeke urged the family to take consolation in the fact that the deceased lived an exemplary and fulfilled life.
This is what life ought to be like. How people should live as human beings. People of compassion, people with dedication, people with integrity. Easy on the word of one of man. We cannot stop talking about P.J.C.
While sympathizing with the bereaved family, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the ABS, Chief Ushenwora, and some cabinet chiefs of Enugwu-Ukwu, including Chief Dennis Aniekwe and Chief Philip Nwoji, observed that the numerous contributions of the deceased pointed him as an embodiment of love, unity, honesty, and patriotism.
He was more like uncle to everybody, all his cousins, all a very kind man. If we go, that's why Enugwu-Ukwu na, so it's a very painful and sorrowful death, considering that he died just at 59. But we thank God for the good life he lived.
In their separate reactions, the Cultural Minister of Enugwu-Ukwu, Chief Jude Ekunife, the Governor of Enugwu-Ukwu's Forum, Sir Obi Nwume, and the President General of Enugwu-Ukwu's Community Development Union Women Wing, Chief Mrs. Ongodi Nkwoji, maintained that the deceased has left behind a deep-rooted legacy of community leadership that will forever stand as an example of selfless service to their community. Responding, the wife and children of the deceased, Mrs. Martina Nwokafor, Chukwudi and Chidera Nwokafor, said that her husband and their father lived a life worth emulating, praying God to give him eternal rest. The funeral service featured musical renditions by St. Anthony's Choir and condolence visits. From Enugwu-Ukwu, in Njikoka local government area, Emmanuel Shibata, ABS News.